Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Harish, and in this channel I talk about various ways in which you can build anything from a website to a mobile app or automations without writing a single line of code. And in this video we are going to look at how you can create an e-commerce website and sell products online with Stripe as your payment gateway using Airtable, where you will store the data of your products, and another tool called Tendeta.io, which lets you convert your Airtable base into a real e-commerce store. Right, with that, let's get started and see how we can build this in under 10 minutes. But it'll be more than 10 minutes if you're going to sit and create your own products and update those products, obviously. But it is quick and fast. That's the bottom line. Let's get started. Great. So the first step that you will need is an Airtable account. You can find the link in the description below to click and create an account if you don't already have one. And once you log in, go to account and then copy the API key and keep it aside. You need this API key once you create an account on Tendeta. So the second thing that you will need is Tendeta.io account, and click on sign up and create an account here. And along with this, you will also need all the list of your products, including images and descriptions and titles, and I am assuming that you already have that list. So here we are going to look at how you can link both these tools, get the data, create the site. Right, so I'm going to quickly sign up and go to my dashboard really quick. Right, my dashboard is ready. This is how you will see there is a default shop that gets created, and once you click on it, you can get started with customizing the store itself. Right, the first step is it is asking us to copy an Airtable base, which means that there is a default base that is available with example products that you can try the platform out with, and also you can remove the products from this base and add your own products so that you can customize the whole base. So I clicked on copy Airtable base, and this will copy the base into your Airtable account directly. Right, you can see that a new base is created here. Let me just quickly click on it and see what it has. It has products as a tab, and then there are orders. So when somebody places an order on your website, they will show up here. And then there is customers. So everybody who places an order will be stored here, right, including their address and what is their order number or order ID in this case. Right, so that is the base table. Let's keep this aside, and now let's go to next step here. I've come back to the platform. Now next step is you have to enter your API key. Now this is the key that you already copied before, so paste it here. And once you paste it, what it does is pulls all the bases that you already have. In this case, our base is Tendeta, so I will select that base and click on next step. Right, and that's it. The last step is for you to update the Stripe API keys. I will show you how to customize that in a bit, and if you are trying to use the API key that I just copied, it will not work because I've probably regenerated it after the video is recorded. So once I click OK, got this is where you get to customize. Right, so I'm going to say seating arena furnitures as my store name, and then there is subdomain. This is the free domain that Tendeta gives you, where you can see how the shop looks. Right, so I'm going to customize this to, let's say, no code. Right, and if you want to use a custom domain, let's say yourstore.com or whatever your brand name is, you will have to pay and upgrade your account. Right, so we'll not do that for this video. We'll get to what the premium features are at the end of this video, so hang tight. And the description is for socials and also for SEO, so make sure you have a right description here. And then once you click save shop, it will save the shop for you, and your link is now actually previewable. This is the website that is already ready. Now let's go and look at how we can customize the layout and all. Right, I'm going to Tendeta back, and then under the look and feel you can actually customize all of this. So if you want to change the header image, you can upload a header image directly from here. You can upload whatever image that you have in your computer, and that will appear on the right. And if you have a logo that you want to upload, you can upload it and it will replace this card icon. So along with that, you can also change the default font family. There are so many fonts that are available that you can play around with, and we will pick one font really quickly. Poppins is one of my favorite fonts, so I'm going to click that, and then you can customize the colors, and you can also customize the product page which is vertical or horizontal. Let's keep it horizontal for now. Instead of buy now, you can also say add to cart as your customization and click save. This will save all these look and feel features, right? So you can see add to cart has been updated from buy now. Right now we'll look at widgets. Widgets are features like Google Analytics to track where your customers are coming from. If you want to run marketing ads using Facebook's business, or I mean Meta's business platform, you can also add the pixel here. And if you want to embed any custom script, like let's say crisp.io or any chat functionality that you want to add, or if you have a custom platform where you're tracking user behavior like Hotjar, you can actually add that here. And the last one is legal advice. In case you are tracking cookies, or if you have specific legal page, you can also add it here. But remember, these are all disabled because I'm on a free plan. All of these need a pro plan for you to update. And the last one is obviously Stripe. You can get the Stripe keys by clicking here. You need all these values. You can change the currency to these currencies for now. These are only supported at the moment. And once you're done, you can click on Stripe, save Stripe settings. You can also add a shipping fee if you want to add a shipping base shipping price to the cart value, right? You can also add that here. So let's say if I add $10 as my fee, it'll get saved. Oh, great. Right, so we just crashed the site when I'm making this video, so probably like a good touch point for you to also realize that this may actually not work if you insert 10.00, or I don't know why it crashed, but I'm just going to come back and click save again. So it doesn't work. Let's see if removing shipping cost actually works. Yeah, so if you add any value in shipping cost, it doesn't work. Oh, okay. Well, for the developers of Tendeta to see that. So once you save settings for Stripe, the last option is Airtable customization. You already have the API key here and base here. If you want to update this or change the base to a new base where you added all your actual products, you can actually do that and click save Airtable settings. With that, we have pretty much customized the whole website. So this is the default layout, and that's it. That's how you create a website. If you click on dashboard, you go back to your shop, and you can also create a new shop, but it is currently limited to one shop per user. So make sure you delete your previous shop if you wanted to create a new shop, right? So coming back to this, you can always click on this and preview your website. Let's quickly preview how the functionality works. You can see that based on the product categories, there is a tab layout that appears where you can filter products by the category. So you can also view all the products at the same time, and clicking on add to cart will actually add the product to the cart. And if you notice, $2 is the shipping that we added, so that gets added to. I'm going to add multiple products, and there is also a way to update the number of items that I want to order, right? Basically the quantity of the product that I want to order. And once I click checkout, it should take us to Stripe, but since we didn't set that up, I'm not going to go here, but that should be the pretty much straightforward process. And whatever you add in the description in the store here will appear as the description here. So that's how you can create your own e-commerce store using Airtable and Tendeta.io, which lets you create the store with just a basic form that you can customize the whole website. And the last piece that I want to talk about is the pricing of the platform itself. So if you go back to the landing page, the pricing is something like this. There is a free account. I love platforms that have a free account. Under free account, you get one shop, you get unlimited products and basic customization like you saw. And if you want multiple other customizations, which we spoke about in the video, you can always go to the pro plan, which costs this much per month. And if you are an agency and you build shops for other clients, you can always get an agency account whenever it is available. And yeah, so that's how this platform works. If you found this video useful, drop a like below and consider subscribing, because this channel is all about building stuff without coding. With that, we come to the end of this video and see you in another one. Peace.